Guardian rule jongi Marman midin misadeye Ejen ya in route Gurua.
So first we are starting by mixing the 1 cup of baking soda, and I've added 20 to 30 drops of essential oil. Here I'm using rosemary.
Stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out.
If you're wondering what I'm using my normal vacuum, but here in my vacuum, the tension that came with it that I can use to vacuum my couches. So this is what I am using now. So guys, I'm rushing here because I want to take my son for tennis training, so I'm just like rushing everything so that we are not late. So I'm back from tennis practice and I've just dived in straight going back to my deep cleaning. Here I'm mixing 4 cups of water to 1 cup of vinegar. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Dawn dish soap, and I'm just going to use this regular towel. I'm going to show you where I'm going to use this recipe to clean. Second one, I'm going to mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, and 1 tablespoon of Dawn dish soap. So to start my cleaning, I'm just going to wipe down my couches here, and I'm doing this for 2 reasons, because I use the baking soda and some of the places on the couch are white. Second, as you can see, my couches are dirty, guys. This is a household of 3 little children, and I deep clean often, and they keep getting dirty. This accent chair is so dirty. I don't even know how this happens. Here I'm using the stain remover that I just mixed before, and I'm just going to use that, and look, the dirt is just coming out, guys.
Through that disguise, but when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it, you got hands.
So here I'm trying the vinegar mix that I made before to clean it, and it's doing an okay job. The dirt is still coming out. Okay, look at that, the dirt is still coming out, but it's not, for me, it's not as the same as when I use the hydrogen peroxide and baking soda stain remover. So now I'm trying this stain remover again, and I'm just going to rub it all over, and then rub it. And look at that. The dirt that is coming out is much more than when I was just using the baking soda. And already you can see the couch is just looking clean. So once I finished scrubbing, I went ahead with clean water, and then I went clean towel, sort of wipe it off. Also cleaning here, the back. For some reason it's so dirty. The other part that is very dirty is the cushion that we used to sit on. Look at that. This is really disgusting. I don't even know how does it get this dirty. So actually I just bought this console table, and I would like your advice, put in the description box below. Should I put a mirror or should I put photos? Here as well, I want to show you my best DIY cleaner that I use to clean the wood floor. So I just mixed 10 cups of water to 1 cup of vinegar, and I put like 1 teaspoon of Dawn, and then I add rosemary, my essential oil. It does amazing cleaning the floor, and then also it smells, it makes the whole place smell amazing. Sure, if you haven't watched, make sure you watch my previous video where I deep clean my kitchen.